to talk to you about this amazing alarm. It has saved maybe my life, or at least my personal property, a few times. And here's why. Let's first of all, let's hear it. Open the door. I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, those are my dogs. As I was saying, this alarm is fantastic. This one time I was in my car, I was checking my phone, and somebody started to this was late at night. I think they were trying to remove one of the stoplights. So what do? And they took off right away. Another thing you can do, which I highly suggest that you do if that happens to you, is put your hazards on. And that's for cars that don't have a great alarm system, like this grandpa here, right? Now this is what the remote looks like. I'm gonna leave a link on the description for you to get it. It's, again, better safe than sorry. The point is, amazing purchase, amazing investment. Definitely get it. Stay tuned for more. Like and follow, and share it with anybody you want to.